Imagine that you're unconscious right now as a result of health issue or accident in unknown location where nobody knows you or any member of your family. Now I want to ask this question. Can anyone reach to your family through your locked phone? Now in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add emergency contact to your Android phone so that in event of emergency, people around will be able to reach out to your people to inform them about the incidents. Please don't skip this video for any reason. Save it for reference purpose and do well to share to others. You might be saving souls by doing so. Let's head to the screen to show you how to achieve this. First and foremost, let's head over to our phone dialer. Click on contacts, click on your profile's name over here and scroll to the button to emergency contact. Click on it and click on add emergency contact this way. Just go ahead to select from your contact list the person you want to add up as emergency contact using this very particular person as example. Once you are done choosing the person, click on done button this way. Now you can as well click on that add emergency contact again to add as many contacts as possible as your emergency contact. Now before we are done with that, remember to toggle on this very button show on lock screen this way. If you did not do it so, your emergency contact will not be able to show on your screen when it is locked. Now let's return to home screen this way. For instance, you find yourself in that very emergency situation. This is what the people around will do in order to reach out to your people when your phone is locked. You can see that the phone is locked. What they need to do is to wipe it up this way to reveal that emergency call. Let them click on that very emergency call. You can see that very person that have just saved as emergency contact as Mr. or Mrs. Amechi. If the person want to reach out to them to inform them about the accident or that very emergency situation, let the person just touch on the contacts name that way. It will ask you make an emergency call. Let the person click on OK button to activate the call. So with this method, they will be able to reach out to the family of the very victim in emergency situations.